Here I've got Apple iPad Pro, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and pick passwords and accounts, and go to Add Account. Obviously click on Google, wait a couple of seconds, and it's time to log in with your email address or phone number. It's up to you. So in my case it will be email. It's HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com. And then click on Next. Now you have to enter the password. If you will be typing it, you can click on the eye icon to see if you are typing it correctly. So just give me a sec to enter mine. And then click on Next. Now just click on Save, and as you can see, the account has been added. You will find it over here, Accounts, Gmail, and here it is. If you would like to remove this account from your device, from your Apple iPad Pro, then simply open it through this screen, then go to Gmail and click on Delete Account. Confirm that you would like to delete this account and remove all the calendars and contacts from your iPad connected with this account. Click on Delete. And that's it. As you can see now, there is no Google account included here. So that would be all. This is how you can add and remove Google account in your iPad Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.